What's up YouTube? So today I will be messing with the suspension on my Raptor 700. I ordered a pair of drag struts. They are adjustable. As you can see, this is as high as it can go. This is as low as it can go, so you can adjust it to whatever height that you want. We're gonna try to see how low we can get, the Raptor sitting to the ground. Just want to see how close we can get it to the ground. I did take the drag tires off because I've been riding it. So, and once we get the front, struts put on, we're gonna come to the back. We're gonna adjust that rear lowering link. Try to get that as low as it can go. So the only thing that you really have to do if you don't have a lowering kit on is just remove your front shocks. But since I got the lowering links in the front, I gotta take a few extra steps. So basically I just gotta remove the two lowering links and then remove that bolt and take the shock out. Okay, so I was trying to be lazy and not thinking that I would not have to take the lowering links off before I could pull the shock off, and you have to take the lowering link off before you can pull the shock off. So I'm gonna have to take that off real quick, and we should be able to get the shock off pretty easy. And here's a quick comparison, with the stock shock versus the drag strut fully expanded and the one that's not been adjusted at all. And as you can see, the stock shocks are quite a little bit much longer than the strut. So about to get them put on and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick look. Okay, as y'all can see, I don't have the bottom bolted in yet, but y'all can see how low it has gotten. I'll give y'all a side view. It's kind of like on an even plane. It's kind of even like sitting lower in that front. It can go lower than that. As you can see, I have to let it down lower to even be able to bolt that in. So I'm gonna have to remove the jack, and it's gonna go down even lower to the ground for me to even be able to hook this in. So that's how it's looking right now. But like I said, it can even go lower than that. So I'm gonna see how low it can go. I'm gonna remove the jack and see if I can get it bolted in real quick. Then we're gonna take a look at it then. Okay, so this is what it looks like, with both struts on at its lowest point. That's what it looked like in the front. I personally don't like that look, but I guess if you're racing, it may be good. And this is what it looks like from the side. So I'm gonna make an adjustment and try to see like which height that I wanted at. Then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Okay, now they are fully adjusted to the furthest, length that they can go. And this how it sits now. So I think I know the height that I want to adjust them to. So I'm going to set these real quick, get them bolted on, and we're going to see, what the finished product looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I said I wasn't going to mess with that back lowering length, but I think I may adjust it just a little bit. I think I may raise the front just a little bit, but so far that's how it looked. I think I'm gonna raise it up in the front just a little bit. All right, so I did end up, lowering the rear length a little more. So this is the final product. And I will leave a link in the description for those drag scripts. So